Today unboxing is on our Singapore SBS bus transit, the Volvo B8L double-decker bus from tiny Hong Kong. This is a show limited edition, and I did a similar unboxing for the regular version for the bus service number 94. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. What's included is also the water slide decal that comes along with the casting. You can see the SG Love Bus logo together with the tagline, and also the SBS Transit logo. Box-wise, it's pretty compact. There's a show limited label on the outer cover. The box also includes a special color silver as the background. Bus service number 71 is printed on the box. It's in service from Ang Mo Kio to Yio Chu Kang interchange. The casting is pretty heavy for a scale of 1:110 behind tiny social media channel. Very expected casting. Is very similar if not identical to the regular version. The only difference is the bus 71 printed to mimic a digital signboard. I like the typography on the digital signboard. It's sort of pixelated, very close to the actual bus. Body color is on point with luminous green color. Realistic wheel sets that comes in plastic. Yellow interior which is accurate just like the regular version. The rear is all printed, it looks very realistic. Really like is all the small fine details such as the bus service number, the handicap sign, also all the markings around the bus. Although the headlight is painted, it's pretty clean, and when compared with the bus service number 94, it's totally identical. Even the bus plate is similar. It's sold out really fast locally and is very popular among local collectors. Hence even non-bus collectors are getting them just like me. Looking forward for more Singapore bus release from Tiny. Stay tuned for more unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.